In this video, I'll show you how to do an instant transfer from your Venmo to your Cash App. So first things first, you're going to want to click on Venmo, go into your wallet, and then click on transfer. Okay, now from here, you're going to have to click on instant and then transfer to. Now you need the Cash App card to do this. So go into Cash App, you get the card, you come in here, and then you click add bank or card. All right, now you click debit card, and then you put in your Cash App card details. Once that's put in, you click add, and then you come back here, you'll see your Cash App card and see your selection, and you click on that card, and then you'll have to pay your fee and transfer, and then the money will be in your account within a matter of seconds, instantly, and you have to pay, like I said, that little fee. So make sure you go back into Cash App if you haven't already and get that Cash App card. That Cash App debit card is what you need. All right, thank you for watching. That is how you do an instant transfer of money into your Venmo, or from your Venmo to your Cash App. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. And like I said, thank you for watching.